And welcome to another edition of Making Money with Marty Moose. I'm Marty Moose. I guess I'm glad I'm not Bull Moose. My parents, Mr. and Mrs. Moose, just had a sense of humor and named me Marty instead of Bull or something else. But anyhow, what I'm going to talk about today is the next stock we want to kind of look into. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting down my base layer, and this time we're going to talk about ABBV, stock ABBV. Again, it pays a quarterly dividend of $1.30, so this one would pay in the month of May upcoming when we were to buy. If I look at Schwab, we need to own it by the 14th of April in order to get it paid in May, and that's easily done here. So I will talk about the entry point. Here it is. So it's been trading mostly kind of sideways. It's kind of gone down to about 104, but it's again, it's a stock I've owned in my other portfolio at Schwab for many years. It's a good solid stock. And so when I look at kind of what it's been doing and its potential, I see great growth potential. In fact, some of the other research at Schwab will kind of show you that the dividends of over the years have continued to increase, and even the earnings have continued to increase. And even Schwab gives it an A rating. I don't necessarily always agree with it, but it's got a lot of call activity, which means everybody thinks, everybody has a feel that it's just going to continue to go up. And it is a biotechnology company, and it's really done well. If you look at the last year, and here's when the pandemic hit, it really went down to, it was about kind of low, and so over the last year it's continued to gone up, and again it's another solid stock that pays a dividend. So again, I'm going to put in a limit price of 107, and I think I figured 6 shares, so again I'm going to start my base with about 40% of my overall $5,000 I'm going to start in this portfolio. So that gives me about $660 to buy some MO, and another about $660 or so to buy some ABBV. So we're going to put that order in, and we're just going to be patient. I think again through the day, the market just opened, so it's still kind of trading. I still see, again, this is what I'm looking at as a chart on WeBull. It's a much better brokerage account than Robinhood, because it's just so much more dynamic. And actually, compared to Schwab, also, if I look at Schwab charts, it's just not as robust and as useful as the other ones. So we can kind of see there's a lot of trades. There look to be a nice wall here at 107.25. So we see people are wanting to buy it, but I think it's through the day, since it's shot up so much in the last few days, that it will kind of retrace back down to 107. So that is where I'm going to Robinhood, put my order in and just kind of wait to see kind of what happens. And still we're kind of have our order 2 for, again, we talked about MO, and then buying it at about 46.75 again, and then we'll establish this nice base of nice solid companies, pay a dividend, and then on top of this we're going to start building some other buys of some good stocks that I've followed over the years that have a potential to go up. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching the channel. It certainly will get better with time as far as making the videos. If you like, subscribe wherever the subscribe button is, wherever I happen to put it. And we'll wait and talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.